Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to invite friends and earn extra lives on Candy Crush Saga. First of all, ensure that your Candy Crush Saga account is connected to a Facebook or King account. This connection allows you to send and receive lives as well as track your progress. Now next, open up Candy Crush Saga app on your device. Click on the play button and on the bottom center, you will see Friends tab. Tap on it. You will then be taken to this page. Click on the add button at the top and click on invite. Now, click the copy button to copy the invite link that has been generated automatically. Now once you copy the invite link, you can send the friends invite requests to anyone via messaging application, email, SMS, and so on. Simply go ahead and find your friend's contact via any of these methods. I'm gonna choose SMS and then select your contact you want to invite, paste in the invitation link in the text box and send the invite link. By following this step, you can easily invite friends, and once your friend accepts your invite link and joins into Candy Crush Saga, you will receive rewards. You can also earn extra lives by inviting friends to Candy Crush Saga. Simply go to your Friends tab, select a friend you want to ask for lives. From your Friends tab, if you have friends, you can select a friend and tap on Send Live to share extra lives with him. If you are low on lives, then you can request lives to ask your friend for assistance as well. So that's how you can invite and earn extra lives on Candy Crush Saga. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.